Good day everyone, welcome to my channel Joella Quella. Today we have some overgrown succulents, so we will turn them into something like a dish gardening or succulents dish gardening. So these are some of the materials or plants or succulents that I have collected in my yard. So I will plant them here. As you can see, yeah. So some are just cuttings from my old plants, succulents. You can see, right? So we will transform them into a big container or something like a dish, but it's not really perfect dish, but we will transform them. So this one, so they're all succulents and I want them to be here. So that one, something like a native basket or something. So give me a few minutes to transform them. Have you seen the bird? It's really nice, right? That one as well will be included. So they are mine. So watch out after a few minutes of what this it looks like. So it's just a collection of all those from my old succulents. Okay, so that would be the container or the old basket. They're huge, so we'll try to see the transformation. Okay, so what is a good thing? What particular potting mix that you're going to have? It's gonna be good if you have the succulents potting mix, but if you don't have, if you have whatever available you have, as long as it's a topsoil or something, or it could be good for the succulents. But here in Australia we have really like succulents potting mix, so their potting mix were intended for the succulents, and their orchid potting mix and their bromeliads potting mix. So with these
A few moments later.
So here we go. This is now our finished product. After a couple of minutes designing, so that is now already in a basket. So it doesn't need to be actually expensive. Actually, I've used this one. This is a recycled basket, or like, shall I call pot? No, this is a recycled one. So I reckon this basket is already like more than 15 years, and my partner don't want this to be thrown because it has a memory for him, so that's why I just make use of it. So with this beautiful succulent, look at it. So I'll tour you, and that's the back side. So that's the back side. So it's just really how you design it. Oh, look at it. So it's just a matter of how you come up with a design. So these are actually my cuttings on my garden that I actually have 4. So I want to show you. So look at that one. Is it lovely? Look how lovely it is. Yeah, it's just a basket. A basket full of succulents that is arranged like, you know, like a bouquet. If you would like to buy, if you will buy this one in the market here in Australia, maybe with that big one, it maybe costs you more than 100, including everything. So as you notice, I just accent it with the pebbles in order to make it clean, in order to make it tidy. So I will tour you around again with the beautiful spots. So these are just a very simple, okay, succulents. What? So it turns out to be a beautiful one. Look. Zoom in. So it's just a matter of how you come up your design. So in the center is like a cabbage one, that one the cabbage one, and that one is the variated, something like looks like cabbage variated. So in here, so if you can see the design that is from above, like there should be like the toll, the heaven, earth and the sea. Alright, so that is how when you design in a flower arrangement or in a landscaping. So look at it. So it turns out now to be beautiful. If you find this one is a beautiful work, please don't hesitate to share this gardening blog of Joella Quella. Look at it, how beautiful they are. Oh my god, I such love my work. I don't spend any cents of this. I don't spend any cents of this because these are all cuttings from all my old arrangement that needs to be redone. So it is just okay, it doesn't need to be expensive, it doesn't need to be really like you have to buy okay the expensive one, but just in your yard and arrange them beautifully. Okay, arrange them beautifully. Apply the principles of landscaping, the elements of design. Okay, so there are lots of people who are fan of collecting succulents, but some of them has some lack of skills in designing their own. Okay, it would be probably like, okay, you are scared or you are shy of doing or exploring yourselves, okay, the inner you. So don't be scared. You tried to design your own, and you will come up with a good design. Look at that, that's one. So I'm just giving you a hint. There's no such wrong design if it's really coming from you. If you think that that is art for you, so that could be your art. Okay, have you seen? So if you can notice, as I arrange, of course, the small plants, okay, should be in the front, okay, to make it beautiful, right? Okay, so once again, thanks for watching of this vlog. Okay, this is your host Joel Aquella of Australia. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What a beautiful one. They look very fresh. Thanks for watching again. Bye-bye.
You